white oil more burn.
Alright guys, so it's Modified World, or Zach. So today's video, we're going to be putting on some side skirts. You can see her back there. Looks pretty easy. Shout out Eric Tao. Probably said his name wrong, but he's better than Josh. Just say that. But anyways, I'll show you what they look like. Here's the product. It looks pretty crazy. See the reflection of the clouds. So she came with the handy towel. You just want to wipe underneath of this off pretty good. Look at that. Ugh. Ow, about knocked my mirror off. Didn't know I was that close underneath of it. But you get the idea. You want to clean it off like so. Both sides. You probably don't have to do this, but came with it, might as well use it. So it makes things a lot easier, of course. You put your tape on first and then go around and cut it. Makes it a lot easier. You'll need a jack, of course. Some wood if your car's low like mine. But that's how they look. Looks pretty sweet. It's hard to film and drill holes at the same time. But basically, I'll try to get under here and show you. There's one like right here if you can see it. And there's one right here. You just find the hole and drill it right in. It's pretty simple. It makes things a little complicated if your car is pretty low, which mine's decently low. It's got 20s, so it doesn't look that low. There's gap, but it's got a 305 on the back, so can't really sit it too low. But it looks really good though. So I'll do a little before and after. So this is the before side. It still looks really good. But when you go on to the after side, look at that. Makes everything, it's subtle, but it makes it look more aggressive. Especially from this side right here. Look, to me, it looks a lot more aggressive. Leave in the comments if you agree. But I think these run like $3.50. It's kind of expensive, but you pay for quality. And that's quality if I've ever seen it. If you have a G8 and you want it, his name's Eric Tao, E-R-I-C-T-A-U, I think. I'll like link his Facebook or something. But looks really good. He also sells spoilers, but that's not his. That's a Mavman. But yeah, she looks pretty sweet.
Double cup, big country, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui. I check the bitch like I'm Mari. Sorry, bitch, I don't say sorry. Look at my